Tony. Simply because I'm the best there is. I got more women waiting for me in the hallway. Quivering, shaking, I'm a connection. And you bet in the last 5 years. You know why? Because I just happen to be the grit.
What's up? You know who this is. I be the Scream Buddy. The Black Nature Boy. I be the Scream Buddy. I be the Black Nature Boy. Hell yeah, I live lovely. On RWO, in the front row, we got Ric Flair, the guy with the blonde hair. In the skybox, we got the G.O.D. That's the full moon. He's always watching me. I'm the Scream Buddy. I'm the Black Nature Boy. You don't want to play with me. Your little life I'll destroy. Rolling a new car, boy. Got a new girl. You see how I plan to run the world. You wanna get in the ring with Earl, that's okay, I whip you against the ring and clothesline you with the Rakeem clothesline, curve stomp you at the same time. 1, 2, 3, you must be out your damn mind. Let me leave the ring after that 3 count. I'm going to commentary. I'm going to tell you how much this shit count. I am the Scream Buddy. You need to check me. I can also do commentary. I had that guy in the ring, I guess he was scary. Whoop him against the ring, clothesline him, curse stomp him at the same time. Everybody screaming Hail Mary. When they threw the blunt down, I lifted up swiftly, lighted at the same time. They said you can't do that in here. Why? Too many people eating on chips and drinking beers, watching the wrestling ring. I'm just the back guy in the back row, doing my thing. Lighten it up, bro. Even past the blunt to Ric Flair. He said, damn boy, you the player of the year. I see I'm the Black Nature Boy around here. And if somebody play with me, I make that little bitch ass disappear. Here on commentary on RWO. Woo! It can only be one. Scream Buddy, the Black Nature Boy. That's right, baby. And it'll always be cool to be the man because I'm the Black Nature Boy, and I hope you understand the Scream Buddy plan. You know the Scream Buddy don't go out like that. You know the Scream Buddy go out like this. You know, we got the G.O.D. in the skybox. We got the Nature Boy in the front row. And we on RWO. And we also watching the Scream Buddy Black Balls movie on YouTube. We doing it the champion way, you know what I mean? Scream Buddy, Black Nature Boy in this bitch. You see what I'm saying? Yo, Ric Flair, what's up, man? Yo, that's that runt blunt you smoking down there, man. Yeah. Oh, don't worry, Rick. We doing this shit like the 4 slashers in this bastard. You know what I mean?